At GSP, manufacturing isn't just about building trucks. It's about building reliability, efficiency, and long-term value into every product we deliver. Our facility is designed with one clear goal. Raw materials come in one end, and a fully finished truck comes out the other. It starts with locally sourced steel from Pittsburgh, strategically delivered to keep our production moving fast. Every piece is cut, shaped, and formed with precision using advanced equipment shears, press brakes, semi-automated saws, and our state-of-the-art CNC plasma burn table. This technology ensures we maximize material, reduce waste, and deliver unmatched accuracy. From there, skilled teams at our 4 fabrication substations build the critical components: lifts, grabbers, ejectors, tailgates, and packers working together to keep production flexible and efficient. Finally, everything comes together on our 2 main body lines, where Hardock's 450 steel floors and engineered frameworks are assembled into the durable GSP bodies trusted by the industry. It's a process built on technology, teamwork, and craftsmanship, ensuring every GSP truck is strong, consistent, and ready for years of reliable service.